Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it feels like Monday, but it is Tuesday. And pretty good weekend weather across, especially Chicago. Memorial Day yesterday was one of the better weather days that we've seen in a long time. As far as the weather is concerned, we got some rains that might move across in the next 24, 48 hours across the Midwest. And then it looks like 2 weeks of mostly dry weather. Temperatures kind of maybe a little bit below normal. So if I'm a corn plant, this is pretty good weather for the next 2 weeks. As far as the news overnight, beans are up a little bit, corn down a little bit, wheat down a little bit. We continue to see open interest in the beans go up. We're close to the season highs, and I think people are just kind of betting on the fear that the demand for U.S. beans is going to grow and the carryout is going to decline. In the corn and wheat, open interest not really moving up that much. We still have the outlook of plenty of supply of corn and wheat in the world, and that as long as we have good weather here in the United States, it's going to be hard for those prices to rally above where they are right now. One of the big banks came out and said that as far as they're concerned, corn and soybean prices are near a top, that we factored in all the South American crop problems, and that now there's still too much supply in the world and prices should leak a little bit lower. We also noted that China started selling corn out of the reserve, which could be a little negative to prices. They announced they were going to sell beans out of the reserve, and then just shortly after that, they announced they were going to postpone the auction of beans out of the reserve, and that might be helping beans overnight. We expect corn planting's almost done. The first rating should be 70 to 75% good to excellent. Last year we were 74, and that soybean planting should be 70 to 75% completed. A quick trip over the weekend to southern Wisconsin, back to northern Illinois. Corn crop there looks pretty good. As far as the funds, they bought beans, meal, corn, sold oil and wheat on Friday. Continue to be big longs in the beans. And we have an inverse. Nearby prices are close to $11. New crop $10.60. Next year $9.70. They're long a little bit of corn, and we have a completely flat market. Same prices around $4.11, $4.13 for nearby, for new crop, and for 2017. Wheat, they continue to be short wheat, a pretty good chunk, and you have a small carry from new crop at around $4.80 to next year's around $5.36. So we're just kind of chopping around. It's month end. We got a June 10th USDA report. We got a big report on June 30th with acres and stocks, and June should be a volatile month as we try to decide what kind of crop we're going to grow here in the U.S. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.